start with the diaper right at baby's lower back. Then pull the front of the diaper so that the leg elastics are snug in baby's bikini area. The tabs of the diaper or wings of the diaper are snug against the hips. And the top of the diaper is no more than an inch below or right at baby's belly button. Hey, here you go. Then you're going to pull the tab snug against the hip and close the waist so that, oh baby, so that you can still slip in a finger. There's no muffin top there. And then you're going to tuck in any extra fabric on the sides, like so. And that, you want to say hi to this one, and that is how you put on a cloth diaper.